Hi everyone, I am Dr. Nagarjuna Mathuru. I am a consultant in pulmonary medicine at Yashoda Hospitals, High-Tech City. Today I will briefly tell about respiratory viruses which are rampant everywhere in Hyderabad, Telangana, and I think all over the country. So till last year we were only talking about COVID, but now the things have changed. Now it is a new group of viruses which are there now, and I can say that every house there is a person who is suffering from cough, cold or fever. So in the last 1 month we are seeing thousands of adults and children suffering with the same symptoms of fever, cough, cold and breathlessness. So now I can say that it is not just one virus. There are 4 different types of viruses which are now circulating. Most important is the influenza or the flu virus. Second, we are seeing in adults is what we call as RSV, respiratory syncytial virus. Third is coronaviruses, the COVID, to much smaller extent, and lesser number are the adeno in adults. Flu is something which has been there in India since decades. So every year the flu season comes. This year also the flu season has begun, and in the flu also now we are seeing several types of influenza. The H1N1 or the swine flu, the so-called epidemic which we had in 2009-10, that again is now seen. Also we are seeing a type of flu called as H3N2. Influenza A, that also we are seeing lot of cases, and this year there is a huge increase in the RSV infections. RSV also is not a new virus, it has been there, but we are seeing lot of cases. So the first thing I would say is anybody with the symptoms of fever, cough, cold or breathlessness, you should meet a pulmonologist and get yourself tested for these viruses if you have them.